Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biola Party Heaven. Welcome back to this pretty Minnie Mouse balloon bouquet. Yeah, so today we're doing a Minnie Mouse third birthday balloon bouquet. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscription button, subscribe, click the notification button, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thank you. Okay guys, let's get to creating the bouquet. So what do you need for this? If you remember my video on how to stuff foil balloons into latex to create shapes, so I stuffed a foil heart into the polka dots foil balloon. That's to create the bow for the mini. If you want that video, I will put it in the description for you if you're new to my channel and I have not seen that video. So first you get a 260Q and you create two bubbles, pinch twist, and then you wrap it around the bow, the two love hearts. So remember, the love hearts is a mini foil in a polka dot 11 inches latex. If you want to see that video, check the description and I'm going to try and put it in the comments for you guys. So you wrap your 260Q round it just to keep, that is to keep the two hearts together so that it would stay in place. It's easy peasy, no stress at all. As you can see, I'm just wrapping the 260Q round and I have my bow ready. Next you get a 24 inches gold balloon. That's a 24 inches gold balloon, and you inflate it into maybe 16 to 18 inches depending on how big you want the head to be, because that's what we're going to be using to create the head of the Minnie Mouse. Now you place your glue dash on two different parts of the round balloon. The spots are going to be where you're going to be placing the ears. So the ears for this design are also four balloons stuffed into 11 inches gold. So I used a round 9 inches for balloon and I stuffed it into the 11 inches chrome gold balloon. The hearts, I used a 9 inches hearts. I stuffed into an 11 inches polka dot balloon. So once you place the ears, next you fix the bow as I am doing right now using glue dash. And there you have your Minnie Mouse head, easy peasy. So it's so good, once you can create this head, you could actually create the body and you have a perfect Minnie Mouse design for your clients. I have a video on my channel of a Minnie Mouse full-bodied one that you could use to create something totally different from this design. Next, you're going to get your 11 inches balloon and you inflate it using your sizer so the first set of four you inflate into 7.5 inches to 8 inches. This depends on how big you want your base to be. And once you inflate them, you wrap them round together. Then you inflate another set of four. You inflate it into 5 inches. So in case you want to know what color I've used for this is just a pearl hot pink balloon. Now that's the smaller size, which is 5 to 6 inches. Wrap them round together. So you're going to stack everything together using a 260Q. You could also use a fishing line, but these days I prefer to use a 260Q to do my arrangements. Now your base is ready. So you could place a water weight at the bottom if this is for a client. Next, you grab your already prepared Minnie Mouse head. Using a 260Q, you're going to tie it onto the base to secure it. Now, once your head is in place, for this flowers, I have a video of that. You would be seeing that after this video, or you could see it before this video. I don't know which one will come up first. I don't know if it's this video that will come up first, or this, or the making of the flowers. But yes, it's going to be on my channel on how to make that pretty flower that I'm going to be attaching to the base of the clusters. Next, you get your 5 inches balloon and you inflate them. So the colors I've used for this 5 inches is red stuffed into pink. Gives it this kind of rose kind of tone. So it's red stuffed into plain pink, standard pink balloon. Now you wrap a 260Q around the 5 inches clusters you've created, and then you use it to attach it to the base. The 5 inches are inflated into 3 inches. Now you inflate your number for pastel pink balloon number 3. This number 3 is 26 inches and it is made by Grabo balloons. Check the placement before you attach it. So I used U-glue dash to like glue it to the head so it's attached to the head, and then I'm going to be using a 260Q to tie it into the base, or use the U-glue dash, whichever one you prefer. So I had more 5 inches to the base to cover up all the gaps. Next, I attach my flowers, my distortion, sorry guys, distorted flower. That's what they call it. Or I personally call the flowers 3D flowers. Next, to add added accents to the design, I inflate some 260Qs and I wrap it around the number 3, just to finish off the look. For a 260 key, all you need to do is just wrap it around the number and just tie it at the back. Just easy peasy and quite straightforward. And there you have your pretty balloon bouquet. So guys, thank you for joining me once again. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, send me suggestions of designs you'd like to see on this channel, click the notification button, and I will see you same time next week. Bye guys. Bye.